Sup, GB here. Let's have a talk about TikTok whatsoever. Oh my god. That's the second time I do this by bullying, harassment, allegations, swearing. Every time I just said and just comment and just message. Oh my god. You know what? I hate TikTok like right now and forever. Please, Donald Trump from the USA. Please ban TikTok global. Worldwide. I don't want to see TikTok app ever again. I don't want to see any TikTok apps. I just want to chill my life for good. Let's have a talk. So recently I have JB the Villager. That's me. But I just change it to dot dot dot. That's me. But when I look at the username, it says JB0 underscore 0. That's me. Then I just change it to JB the Screamer. That's me when I scream. Now, all the comments. They're cringy. They'll make stuff up. But one thing is missing. The Saibao. You know what Saibao means? I'm not going to swear. Shut your something. It's meant to be like a TikTok slang, but all of these comments are cringy. But the messages, I don't want to hear it. You know, the second time was I made a new account called Unpublicable Zine 58, which is not creative, but on my Google login. You know, it's still on gmail.com, but it's completely different. My creative has a CapCut edit, all of them, including the video edit, which is not a CapCut, but it is. Now, my old account, which is not a creative, which is not a CapCut, all of these are on my old account. Not all. And then my pin video is straight. The IKEA, the going back to the corner, Google Earth, then there's one, which is again Google Earth. But my recent one, I haven't posted for years. The sign of video. That is why I retired as the worst TikToker in the world. Me! But right now, that has changed. No, it must not be that change. Because me, as the worst TikToker ever in the world, is truly going to change my mind up to date. I deleted my account. I deleted my account as the Screamer. I want to retire. Please, President Donald Trump, you have to seriously, you have to ban the TikTok worldwide, everywhere. Philippines, USA, UK, Canada, Mexico, Paraguay, Uruguay, Argentina, Brazil, all of Africa, all of Europe, everything. I just want you to ban TikTok. That's my talk. That's my talk. Let TikTok ban. Let TikTok be gone. So that was my allegations. That was my controversy. Those are my allegations. And so many people bully me like that. So many people. I feel like I might have to do this. I won't say one word. See, that happens. Stay. That's what happens to me right now. Oh my god. My feet hurts now. Yep, this is me right now. After deleting all four my accounts and deleting TikTok. TikTok is by far the worst app you could use in the world. That's my final sentence. My final sentence: TikTok is by far the worst app you could imagine in the world. I'm done with this. I'm done with talking. I'm done with TikTok. I'm done with TikTok allegations, TikTok controversials, and TikTok ban. I don't want TikTok anymore. If you want to see me suffering, please subscribe and like, and turn on the notification bell for more updates. Cause I'm going to suffer my life as a 17-year-old worst person in the world. Bye bye.